Hello, this is Leo Page at MarineMax in downtown Fort Walton Beach, and today I'm going to show you aboard our beautiful new Sea Ray 310 SLX outboard. The first thing you're going to notice is the Mercury 300 horsepower white Verado outboard engines, the expansive swim platform with flip-down swim step, huge rear lounger with cup holders, stereo control, chargers, and flip-up backrests, the large cockpit, nice teak cockpit table, summer kitchen, additional seating, twist around seating to the port, the nice helm area with dual SIMRAD displays, joystick piloting, large head area to the port that's nicely finished out with a marine head and a sink. Moving forward, we have a second teak table, a nice, really large seating area to the bow, flip down armrest, stainless steel spotlight, windlass, and tons of storage throughout the boat, including in the floors. Come by MarineMax in Fort Walton Beach, Florida today and ask for Leo Page to see the Gulf Coast's largest selection of new and pre-owned Sea Ray boats.